presentation regarding the smart products in which we can utilize the information technology and computer science basic algorithm. If we see the uses of these, there are various uses. For example, smart gateways, doors, lock, and smart lighting purpose, smart security purpose, smart sensor in order to configure the security measurement, and smart control in terms of robotics, and many integrated solutions. If we see the importance of these gadgets in terms of biometric security, as well as touch-free gates for fast procedure, as a touch-free button for handicapped persons. Similarly, in order to avoid the transmission of infectious disease, touch-free button can also be used. It can also be implemented in terms of hologram, as well as in infrared technology, as well as with the help of Bluetooth or other Wi-Fi resources. And interestingly, no touch automatic toilet flush can also be designed with the help of these IT devices in order to maintain the level of cleanliness and certain other measurement. Let's see how these can be worked. For if we are talking about the biometric security, certain key features can be kept in mind. The first one is the importance of security. Second one is the convenience. Third one is the scanning speed. Because security should be robust. Robust means that no one can manipulate it, or no one can hack the system easily. Though this is the theme of robustness of the security. Convenience means it should be handled easily. It should not create complexity, or you can say that troublesome for its usage. The scanning speed is also known as computational speeds. That it should be fast enough. Okay, if should not waste the time. In this regard, if I see a little bit further, the most important thing is following the computer vision techniques, concept of eye scanning, or you can say with visual inspection. So retina detections, iris scanners, all these are done for the purpose that for example, pirated thumb impression can be generated, and as well and be copied. So this is the most you can say trustworthy thing in terms of biometric security. So the other one is the thumb impression. For example, you also noticed in many cars, doors are opening with the help of thumb impression, or you are having a key in your pocket, or you can say that car keyless driving, or just kind of push start car. So similarly, nowadays doors lock are also designed in these, though these are already implemented in developed countries, for example, Korea, America, Japan, maybe you can say a decade ago. But in Pakistan, you have huge market of it. You can design such a product, and this product will be sold, you can say, enormously, and these are demand of each and every office, where with the help of these IT, or you can say IT based gadgets, someone can open the door with the help of voice, with the help of thumb impression, with the help of retinal detection, or even with the help of if nothing is work, or someone other want to open the door with the help of some password or keywords. So everything is possible with the help of these gadgets, and you can make a home as a smart home with the help of these smart gadgets. Moreover, you can design such an IT developments for the escalators at the metro station. Once no one is passing through these escalators, electricity is consuming without in any use. So, what is the importance? Importance is how we can you can say that optimize the usage of electricity or its electricity consumptions are wear and tear of the resources. So these are done with the help of IT developments. If someone will approach near to the escalators, escalator will start its working. If it will no one okay, of course you should keep in mind during such a development that how much time escalator is taking from its initial point to end point, as well as certain other measurement. For example, on a reverse way of escalator, if someone want to get on a escalator should stop. With this can be detected with the help of some sensors and with basic programming. So, if we are talking about the security or other measurement, small devices of infrared can detect the unusual lingering, or you can say theft activity. You know, whenever there is a theft activity is happening, time matters a lot. So unusual time for in case of disturbance, say hidden cameras will take the picture of a person, or you can say doors will be locked automatically. So this is the done like our ATM cards are stopped working due to incorrect attempting of the password. So similar with the help of visual camera, or you can say that in front these gadgets they will also work like this, and you can make some development, or you can design some projects according to it. So one another feature of the door lock is with the help of single push. All the electric appliances inside of the house will be turned off once you are leaving, or once you want to get in the house with the help of simple single button. All the required appliances will turn on. You may give some exemption to refrigerator or some other appliances which you want they should not follow this one button control, or you can say the other heating or cooling system. You can develop some kind of exemption for these, but this is a very nice idea. For example, if you want to design this for university or institute, once the teacher or students are entering in a class, with the help of simple one button, all the electric lights may turn on, and other the teaching devices should may turn on, or all the computing system turn on. Or once lab or class will over, with the help of simple one button control, all the things can be turned off. You can design it with the help of local vendor. Its material can be made, and with the help of simple programming you can establish it. Important thing, accuracy of the thumb impression is nowadays many people are you can say that the hackers are copying the thumb impression. So this it should detect the side by observation of the person with the help of camera. In addition of the thumb impression, you can develop such kind of program for these gadgets. Even you can use these gadgets for simple drawers. And you can make these drawers as smart drawers, and these smart drawers can be handed over to the schools, universities, and other you can say offices where people are very much busy, and whenever they are going to leave the drawers should be locked automatically. So these are the wonderful Similarly, somewhere with the help of keychain or infrared card, you can open the door. This is also the another application, and this application can be modified according to the required data. So it's not a big deal, but it may be, you can say, a cheaper solution. Whenever you want to design such kind of product, you should keep in mind the its specification. For example, certain parameters are involved in its specification. The how much batteries are required, battery types, standby current which is required once there is no connection of electric supply, or what is the method of emergency power supply, or manual unlock method. You should also design in case due to any malfunction. Quality, what is the pixel quality of the camera. Okay, this is also, and working in the day and night, fogging, or you can say that some kind of dehazing or denoising features can be involved. Installation methods, secure should be robust, or you can say that be placed at such a position that no one can be captured, or no one can modify it, or no one can try to break it easily. Temperature or humidity condition, how much temperature it can be worked, particularly some region of the country where too much snow, and somewhere in the desert, you can say, Baltistan, too much heat. Okay, high temperatures, these should be worked. Plastic should not be melt down. So material of the equipment, similarly packing dimensions, length, width, height should also be included in it, and net weight, or the as well as gross weight, everything should be configured. Proposal for a project according to your design model, so that industry should prepare it according to the your specification. Let me add a few video. You can see the examples of such video. For example, in case of automatic turning of light, see here, it's the daytime and sensors are involved there. So light, ever you are going to pass under the light, this will not turn on because it's the daytime. And okay, pixel intensity is kind of a light intensity. If there is a light, bulb should not turn on. If there is a dark, pixel intensity is low, or you can say light intensity low. If you some movement, the light will turn on. See here, there is a dark, and infrared observe the movement, and lights will turn on automatically whenever it will someone will pass through it. And once you will pass, the light behind you will turn off. If there is a smoke, it will automatically trigger the alarm, and this is also the sensor trigger the alarm. And the other, if the house is on burning, you can simply press the alarm. It will give a signal to the company. One interesting example of it, if is the person after using the toilet want to flush it, but due to, you can say, cleanliness, or due to COVID era, or don't want to pass the germs, okay, so with the help of simple can be pressed automatically. Let me show you one more video regarding it. See, you just need to place your hands in front of the this, and flush will done automatically.